Hi, my name is Dr. Yaldra Stamnajad. I am from Boston, and I don't even know where to start with this course. My review is glowing. So I haven't really taken a lot of hands-on CE with everything going on with the pandemic, and the owner, doctor of my office, recommended this course. It was highly recommended in a group of dentists that he is a part of. So I took a chance. I came here to New Jersey, and I would come a million more times. I cannot say enough good things about this course, about Dr. Rasner, about his crew. Incredible, incredible. If you're thinking about taking the course, this is your sign. Sign up today. You will not regret it. I'm talking hands-on. Doesn't get more hands-on than this. You are in the room, you've got patients, you've got the patients sedated, you've got mentorship, you are doing things that you've probably never done before, and you've got Dr. Rasner himself, VIP, right next to you, helping you along the way. I mean, I learned so much, I don't even know what to do with it, so I'm gonna take myself back to Boston and just have a moment to comprehend how amazing this was. I've only been out of school for a little over a year, so for me this is like mind-blowing, but we've got people here who have been practicing for 25 years and they're still coming back for more. So if you're thinking about it, go ahead, sign up. You will not regret it, and you'll probably see me here because I'll be back.